Welcome to Miss Phoebe Learn Swahili with AI. Are you ready? Let's learn how to count in Swahili. One apple. In Swahili we say Moja. Repeat, Moja. Two balls. In Swahili, Mbili. Say it with me, Mbili. Three stars. In Swahili, Tatu. Try saying Tatu. Four blocks. In Swahili, Nane. Five balloons. In Swahili, Tano. Repeat, Tano. Six butterflies. In Swahili, Sita. Say Sita. Seven rainbows. In Swahili, Saba. Try it, Saba. Eight hearts. In Swahili, Nane. Repeat, Nane. Nine stars. In Swahili, Tisa. Try saying Tisa. 10 fireworks. In Swahili, Kumi. Kumi. Let's count together. Moja, Mbili, Tatu, Nane, Tano, Sita, Saba, Nane, Tisa, Kumi. How many stars do you see? Say the number in Swahili. Moja, Mbili, Tatu, all the way to Kumi. Great work! Tell me your favorite number in Swahili. Wonderful job! See you in the next lesson.
Asante sana, rafiki yangu. You learn new words again today.